Hi, welcome to Aimco Manufacturing. Here we have a gripping tool used to pick up various size tanks. We've got non-marring gripping jaws at 4 points, along with a Delrin locator that will locate the tanks with. We are attached to a Gorbel G-force with a force sensing hub, so anywhere that you push down and press up, it easily raises the unit up and down for your vertical control. I'll demonstrate this for you. So you'll bring the tool down to the part. Once you bottom out, you'll hit the common button and the clamp button at the same time. We now have encapsulated and gripped the top ring. Got 120 pound capacity on this tool. So we will be transferring these tanks into the boxes. So to unclamp, if you were to accidentally hit the unclamp button, that won't release until you hit the common button at the same time. We do have a jog unclamp circuit, so when you hit the common and unclamp, it will incrementally jog the jaws open to pick larger parts. Okay, thanks for watching. Please visit Aimco Manufacturing for more product videos.